clean tip, apply a bit of fresh solder. We're going to heat up the tab and the wire for a few seconds. It's very important that these get joined so that way the electricity can flow uninterrupted. That looks good, nice and shiny. No more rattling. Now I'm going to attach a wire here. So the black one goes on this leg. This is a little bit long, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it around once. That way it stays better. There we go. Nice connection. And I'm going to, once again, clean the tip. Put a little fresh solder. Slide it closer. Heat it up for a few seconds. Let that solder flow. Perfect. Next one, same thing. Red wire on this side. Thank you. We're going to wrap it around once or twice here, just so it kind of stays on its own. Bend the wire so it supports itself there. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, pretty close. There we go. All right, final solder. Clean the tip. A little freshness here. Heat this up. Apply a little solder. Let it cool. All right.